Man, I don't want to be here anymore. I want to leave the hotel. Me too. Come on, Caillou. Let's pack our suitcase. Okay, Daillou. I'm going to take a nap.
Caillou and Daillou. How dare you escape the train? That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded. 853853810000008 years. Go to your room right, you little brats.
Don't worry, kids. Caillou and Daillou is grounded, so Boris won't take Caillou and Daillou to train anymore. So it's time for bed.
Good night, Mom and Dad. Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night, Mom and Dad.
Good night.
The end.